Good morning, students. First of all, we will be starting with a topic, but ये topic start करने से पहले we will go through the tables. Tables means like 2 का table, 3 का table, 4 का table, 5 का table, 6 का table, till 20. याद रखना कि 2 से लेकर 20 तक सब tables आने चाहिए. It's mandatory. From 2 to 20. Okay. Now just have a quick recap on those 2 to 20. Now if I say what is 2 multiplied by 8, it is 16. Good. If I say कि 3 multiplied by 5, it is 50. Very good. If I say 8 multiplied by 6, it is 48. Perfect. So likewise, we should know each and every table starting from 2 to 20. Now, just observe those tables. If I say 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2, 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8. Okay? यहाँ तक ही रुकते हैं. Next. What about 3? 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. 3 multiplied by 4, that is 60. Oh, sorry, 12. Now, if I go to 4, 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. And 4 4s are 60. Now, ये तो इनिशियल टेबल तो मैंने लिख दिए, but just observe one thing, that is this. This and this. What do you observe? The number which is multiplied by itself. The 4, which is one number and which is multiplied by itself. 3, which is a number and it is multiplied by itself. 2, and the 2, that is number which is multiplied by itself, and the number which is multiplied by itself, we call it as square numbers. So yes students, we are starting with a topic, that is square numbers. We are starting with a topic, that is square and square roots. Okay. Now first of all, what is square? Square मतलब वो square नहीं. It is the square which is in algebra. That means which is in numbers. Okay. So now, as I said, the square means what? Square of number means a number which is multiplied by itself. Okay, the number which is multiplied by itself is called as a square number. तो अभी नंबर कौन सा ले, उसे कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें, we'll go through it. We'll take some example, like for example, a number which is multiplied by itself. Let us take a number as 7. So 7 is a number which is multiplied by itself. So this becomes a square number. So 7 into 7, which is nothing but 49. So can I say the square of 7 is 49. The square of 4 is 16. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 9 is 81. Very good. So likewise, I am writing the square numbers over here and you have to note it down. Okay. Now, the square of 7 is 49. We are writing as 7 into 7. Okay, we will write later on in the indices form. So first of all, just go through this. 7 into 7 is 49. So write down first 1 का square, 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. Next 2 का square, 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Next 3 का square, 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. 4 का square, 4 multiplied by 4 is 8. No, it is 60. 5 multiplied by 5 is nothing but 25. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. Next, फिर से 11 to 20 का भी कर लेते हैं. तो now 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. 13 multiplied by 13 is 169. 14 multiplied by 14 is 196. 15 multiplied by 15 is 225. Next, that is 20 multiplied by 20 is 400. So the thing is, I want you all to write from 16, 17, 18, 19 also. Okay? That means ये पूरा लिखे fast. Just note it down, and I want you all to write on your own for 16, 17, 18, 19. चलो, fast, fast, quick. Okay, so now, as if you know all the numbers which are written in the square form, but how to write it in a square form? Now, if I want to write a number in a square form, so 7 into 7 is 49. I know the 7 into 7 is 49, but can I say that 7 का square is 49? Yes, obviously 7 का square is 49, but how can we write? It is like, we need to write first the initial letter over here, and square means it has the power of 2. It has the power of 2. That means 7 is multiplied 2 times. So 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49. Okay, getting clear? Now the thing is, I want you all to write down on the left hand side like this. 1 square, that is 1 square is 1 into 1 is 1. 2 square, 2 into 2 is 4. 3 square, 3 into 3 is 9. 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. Likewise, continue, chalo, fast, fast, till 20, जल्दी, जल्दी लिखो, कल सुबह पनवेल जाना है. Okay, pause the video and then write it. I'm starting with a new topic. Okay, now we will start with the topic, that is, first of all we know that what is a square. Now we should know what is a square root. Root मतलब क्या? Root मतलब पेड़ के roots? नहीं. It is nothing but square का उल्टा. Square का उल्टा. Okay, let us take an example. First of all, if I say multiply, तो मल्टीप्लाई का उल्टा कौन है? डिवाइड. परफेक्ट. इफ आई से डिवीजन, डिवीजन मतलब डिवाइड, उसका उल्टा कौन है? मल्टीप्लाई. यस और नो? आई एम राइटिंग ऑपोजिट्स. ठीक है. इफ आई से एडिशन, तो एडिशन का उल्टा कौन है? सब्ट्रैक्शन यार. यस, ऑब्वियस है. सब्ट्रैक्शन का ऑपोजिट इज एडिशन. तो वैसे ही स्क्वायर का ऑपोजिट इज स्क्वायर रूट. गेटिंग क्लियर? तो नाउ स्क्वायर रूट कहां से कहां तक पहुंच गए सर, देखते हैं. चलो, स्क्वायर मतलब क्या है, स्क्वायर रूट मतलब क्या, देखते हैं. 7 का स्क्वायर दैट इज 49. यस. अब इसका उल्टा करते हैं. लाइक 49 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 7. 49 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 7. Square root is denoted by this symbol. Square root of 49 is 7. Square of 7 is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Let us take another example. चलो first 8 square is 64. वैसे ही square root of 64 is 8. Next 9 square is 81. तो 81 का स्क्वायर रूट कौन है? 9. बट ऑब्वियस. नाउ लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल अगेन. 144 का स्क्वायर रूट कौन है? बोलो. इफ यू आर गेसिंग इट करेक्ट देन इट इज 12. परफेक्ट. इज इट इजी? ओके. तो नाउ स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट इस टॉपिक इज ओवर. बट नाउ इट इज लाइक कि स्क्वायर कैसे निकालते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालते हैं. स्क्वायर निकालना तो आसान है, बहुत आसान है. इट्स लाइक कि एक नंबर दिया उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो हो जाएगा. इफ आई गिव यू द नंबर दैट इज 55, तो 55 का 55 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो आपको मिल जाएगा स्क्वायर 55 का. इट्स सुपर इजी. बट स्क्वायर रूट निकालना इतना इजी नहीं है. स्क्वायर रूट निकालने के लिए देयर आर सम मेथड्स. तो स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालें ये देखते हैं अगली वीडियो में. चलो बाय.